What is up, everybody? A few disclaimers before the video starts. I'm bad at the water droplet sound. Like, I get it like one half of the time. Like, listen. I can't even do it. Like, so don't judge me that like y'all didn't get it first try, because you don't get something first try every single time. It takes practice, and I think mine is either a little more complicated or very much more easy to some of y'all, because some of y'all might think that I can't even go like, but sometimes in other videos they're like, okay, so you have to make your tongue go out but in but down. Like, I didn't understand that. So I just combined everything I know. So don't judge me if y'all can't get it in like the first 2 days. Because remember, practice makes perfect. A water droplet sound. I can't really do it perfectly, but I am still practicing. And I know how a lot of people say that you can't breathe. You have to make your tongue go like, no, you don't. For me, I just combined everything I knew to try and make the water droplet sound, and it turned out like this. Pretty good, but probably not as good as everybody else. So basically what you want to do, people say don't breathe. You can breathe, but you can't breathe in. Like, you can't breathe in like midway through it. Like, you can't go no. You can breathe out though. So make it like you're whistling, but don't whistle. Now breathe out, but don't whistle. Like, instead of going, go. Oh. That copyright. Never mind. And then like breathe out really fast, and then cut it. Like, don't breathe back in, but just like like just fast and then cut. Just don't. So if you can get this noise, you're basically almost done. The last part is flicking your cheek or down here. I can't really do it down there, but I can sometimes. I like to do it on my cheek. You can tell because it's red. I've been doing this a lot. See his difference. Cheek, 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 cheek. It's all in the same spot. Hurts. Okay. Now you just gotta get the timing of you flicking your cheek and the timing of you breathing out. And then you gotta cut back when your finger leaves your cheek. So when you cut your breath, your finger needs to leave your cheek, or the opposite. When your finger leaves your cheek, you gotta stop breathing. So just. And that's really all you need to know for this video. I love y'all. And remember, I don't know. I don't usually end the video with like stay frosty or like any of that. I'll figure one out. Bye guys.